Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use that increment and decrement command in Siemens PLC S7-200. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I will take my open contact at I0.0 and next I will take one from the bit logic, that positive edge, and next we will take the increment. Here also we can choose that decrement, and increment will be can found in downside. This is the increment. So this is MW0 data register I will choose, and also MW0 I will choose. And here in next row we will choose that same network. Sorry, not this, control C, and here we will try to control V. This is only just one line coming. That I0.1 I will choose for decrement, and same as one positive as I will choose, and that also same we will choose that increment command, and here we will choose one close contact of the close contact I0.2, an example we will choose, and here we will use the move instruction. So MW0 data register I will move into the MW10 data register. So this program we will download to the PLC, and status we will make it on. And now you can see this is I0.0. When I give the signal, it will be counts 1. You can see here is a count 1 coming. One more I will put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many signals when you gives? After that will be increments, make it here and stores in this the data in the MW10. And instead of, if we put the signal at I0.1 for example, you can see it will be make the decrement data. Oh sorry, let's we make one mistake, that increment also double we will choose. That's so we have to be choose this decrement. Decrement also we can choose it from here, because of upside if we will choose the increment, so downside we have to be choose decrement. MW0 and MW0 also, and again write to the PLC, and click it OK. Again click it OK and make the status chart on, and you can see now at the MW10 is now 18 data stored, and as I give the I0.1 signal, it will be go to decrement. You can see this is 14, 13, 12, 11. It will go to be the 0. And if I give the signal at I0.0, it will be again increment stores of the MW10. And this MW10 data register you can use in the next program, whatever you like to be make. For example, this is any program for in this I0 can be a signal from your conveyor or any signal from your anything you like to be used in the program, proximity sensor or whatever. When coming the one signal, after this will be makes the increment, and here will be makes the decrement. That two sensors you can use for proximity or any manual function with what which you like to be stored data in the MW10. And if instead of, for example, if you not use this positive edge, after you can see the behave, what will be do this function. I will make this only just I will delete this one and again connect with this C, and I will download to the PLC, and after you will see what will be happen. And after also you understand about this positive edge, what's the function. Go the status, make it the status on, and as per you can see here is this 16 data is now stored. And as I give the signal at I0.0, you can see one signal just I give, but here's the signal how much increments came, 435. Because of why this scan pulse of the PLC is one signal coming, it will be maybe many of hundreds of the pulses go to the this command. So for to reduce this pulses, you have to, we must choose this one uh, positive edge. If you not use this positive edge, it will be look like any pulses coming after, you cannot count anything. But instead of this one, see this I0.0 and I0.1, if we give the pulses, after you can see this is 434, 33, 32, it will be single pulse will be generate. You can see single pulse will be generate. So this way you can be use this data registers for increment and decrement, and after this data registers you can compare with the, for example, if you like to be some any uh, coils on off like to be make, so also I will make for you, and just simply stop the simulation, and only we will take it here the, for example, one open close contact, sorry, close contact. If you use no like to be used, you can directly also use, that's depend on your logic. And this will be used, you can hear many commands, for example this greater than or equal command I will choose, and make the one output energize with this one. For example I0.3 I will choose, and this MW10 when equal with, for example, 200, or if you like to be choose data register, also you can choose data register which like to be set point on the from the HMI, you can choose it here MW20 also, and after you can write the data at the MW20, and after you can make the set point from the HMI. And this Q0.0 will be energized, and simply you download this program to the PLC, and you can see now Q0.0 is now on, because of why here MW10 is now have 413 pulses are ready. But if we MW20, if we make write it here pulses, for example 400, 400, 400 I will write, 400 I will write, and that will be still on. Because of why this is, we use the command of equal or greater than we command use. So this we have to be write it here. An example 450 I will write. 450 I will write after your output will be close. But when it will be on, when you give the signal at I0.0. See, one signal I give, this is many pulses comes at the MW10. So this also we will clear the part, this one, this MW0 we will make it once 0, and it will be MW0, we will write the 0 and it will be goes the 0, but we have to, we must fix it here, that one in the bit logic, that pulse generating, and after this will be download again to the PLC. And click it OK, and again I will make the simulation. And now you can see here is the 0, and here we MW10 also 0, and here we make the set point at the MW20 450, but we will mix it here. For example, 15 bits I will write, and I need, when 15 counts will be completed, after our Q0.0 needs to be on. So I give the signal at I0.0. You can see here is now increment is ready, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. As this will be completed by 15, after your Q0 dot will be 0 will be on. And if I make the signal at the I0.1, it will be make the decrements. After you can see this is your output will be on. So this way you can use your you can control your output with the increment and decrement command. So this is the easiest method of the increment and decrement command. I hope you will be understand about this command. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.